Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Dinner tonight, two kinds of chicken, shake and bake chicken and grilled chicken. Take your pick. What I'm hoping for is having the grilled chicken and then when it cools off, cut it up and put it in a salad or something like that, or make chicken salad. But, all right, going in the oven, going on the grill. Also making 4 cheesy rice. Creamy 4 cheesy rice. Did you know that a 16, is it a 16 ounce? Yep, 16.9 bottle of water is equivalent to 2 cups. So that's what we need. We need to put 2 cups of water in here. So you don't have to measure. Just in case you didn't know that, now you do. You learned something new today. Chicken is on the grill. Mm-mm-mm. Steaming in this cold weather. Smells really good.